Take your learning one step forward with Little Composer's Activity Book 1. Introduces the musical letters A to G and the musical numbers for your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's also musical concepts in the back of the book. This is a coloring and activity book, so you get to color all the characters for fun. You get to trace the letters, and each of the page spreads has a lovely song to go along with it that you can watch on our YouTube channel. Ally Alligator sings chop, Ally Alligator A, A, A. Every animal has their own song. After we go through the letters, we're off to the Wiggle Friends. Add your finger numbers. You get to trace your hands. You get to trace the numbers. And again, sing more songs. Oh, what about Parker Penguin is the number 2. Number 2. You're number 2. Then we get to the music notes section where you get to find out all about Kit, Hugo, Silly Willy. There's even songs to go along with these spreads on our YouTube channel. We get Grammy Travel Clap, round and round the circle, and up to the top. Make a loop, around we go, just like a snail shell. Songs make learning so much more fun. Mr. Repeat, Mr. Fermata, Mr. Fine. And of course, a lovely certificate when you complete the book. These books are fun, engaging, and teach so many skills.